Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DOOGEE S40. Start by going into Play Store on both smartphones. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, install this app from this developer and click on Open. I already did that on DOOGEE because it will take forever to download, so I have to click on Open right away. And over here we need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select receive on DOOGEE and send on an Android. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. But I will go with only one just to save time. For example, this photo, click send and to tap on got it in this pop-up. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on DOOGEE, selecting allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key and click receive, then wait. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!